Pipedrive Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Pipedrive are in the description below. In this review, I'll walk you through its features, who it's ideal for, and how well it helps automate business processes. Pipedrive is a highly intuitive sales and CRM automation tool designed specifically for sales teams looking to streamline their workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and close more deals. It's built for small to medium-sized businesses, but has the scalability to work for larger teams as well. The standout feature of Pipedrive is its sales pipeline management, which gives sales teams a visual drag-and-drop interface to track deals and manage the entire sales process. You can automate key aspects of the pipeline, like moving deals between stages, setting reminders, and triggering tasks or follow-ups. With workflow automation, Pipedrive allows you to reduce manual input, freeing up your sales reps to focus on building relationships rather than handling routine tasks. Pipedrive also offers customizable reporting and dashboards, giving real-time insights into sales performance, pipeline status, and team productivity. This helps businesses make informed decisions based on accurate data. For email marketing, Pipedrive integrates with tools like MailChimp, so you can automate outreach to leads and customers while tracking engagement. Another strong feature is Pipedrive's integration options, which are vast. It works seamlessly with popular tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zapier, allowing for cross-platform automation. Pipedrive's AI-powered lead scoring helps prioritize high-potential prospects, ensuring that your sales team focuses on the most valuable opportunities. While Pipedrive offers powerful features, it's designed to be easy to use, making it accessible even to businesses without a dedicated IT team. However, some users might find its reporting capabilities limited compared to more enterprise-focused CRM tools. Overall, Pipedrive is a fantastic tool for sales teams looking to improve efficiency and automate key tasks. If you're looking to optimize your sales processes, check the links in the description for more details.